But I mean, at the end of the day, this is a company that has a ton of momentum right now. There's no complacency, as I wrote in my note, within what they're doing. There's huge opportunities to grow internationally. The men's business is starting to work here. Their processes have improved, the product has improved, and their engagement has improved. We call that PEP as a wording, but it really has. It's gotten better and better and better. And when they do all that together, they have no competition. It's still, you know, if you think about the size of other businesses, it's under a $4 billion global business. So we see lots of opportunities to continue to grow, and that's why we think the stock works higher.
But can the comps really continue to go higher, 10%, 20%? I mean, those numbers are unbelievable. At some time, they're going to have to pull back, and then are we going to be disappointed, or do we need to know that's going to happen?
Well, I mean, I don't think we're going to see, you know, mid-teens, 20% comps going forward. But as the base goes higher, I mean, I don't see why we couldn't see, you know, high singles and low double-digit comps over the next few years because, I mean, you sort of have to remember where they came from and where they're going. And, you know, it's still relatively small. Especially because you're dealing with retail prices on a lot of those sales versus a Nike or a Under Armour or somebody else whose most of their sales are still wholesale. So you're not selling as many units as it appears with those huge numbers.
Who's losing the share? I mean, if Lulu's gaining sales, where's it coming from?
I think it's really a lifestyle change. So I think what's going on is
just people want to be more comfortable these days?
I think in general.
Men don't want to wear proper pants. They want to wear Lulu pants instead to work.
Well, I mean, we've
seen some of it around here.
There's many examples back here in the newsroom.
Well, I mean, it's are they buying the ABC pant from Lulu instead of buying a pair of chinos from another brand? And I would argue yes. I don't think it's necessarily coming out of athletic guys. I think what's happening is that Lulu as a brand has an attraction for the product, the service, and that engagement, and that wins, and it separates them so far from any potential competition that may sell similar type product.
We got to go, but I got a real quick question for you. Brand new CEO, Calvin McDonald, coming in. What would your advice be? Don't touch anything? Don't break it? Everything's working?
I would say take your time and find those little nuances that can be improved upon or built upon to even take it to the next level where we're not looking. Because, you know, a few years ago, nobody would have said Lulu would be doing this. Very few investors would think Lulu is doing what they're doing today. And as I said, I think there's more there. It's a great company right now.